deep in the jungles of the playground. This is a bone of a Cassosaurus. Do you hear something? Where is it? What's going on? No, 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 no. It's a frog! Catch it! Oh, we're so close. The cartwheel is falling. Harpoon! She's dead. Let's move on. What was that? To feed on the body of the frog, we've got a Cassosaurus!
I'm not dead. Do not think that I am dead. I have 12 lives. But I am cooler. And I have a very cool accent which makes me larger than life. That makes you larger than life.
You suck. Okay, just gonna. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, you want to go?
Okay, we'll take this. Look at this. Choice of footwear.
House cake.